Are you tired of feeling like your voices goes unheard? Do you long for a space where your stories and experiences and ideas are valued? The Office of Safe and Respectable Learning at King's College is organizing a research colloquium on the topic Safe Spaces in Educational Context, Fostering Inclusive Learning Environment. Apply now and be a part of the colloquium. The colloquium will consist of a one-day event featuring various research experiences shared in the form of slide presentations, audiovisual presentations, art installation, and more, followed by an interactive Q&A session to provide a platform for discourses surrounding safe space and mental health. This colloquium will be held on March 14, 2024 in a hybrid format, both in person and accessible virtually. If you'd like to present your research or story at the colloquium, please fill out the interest form, including your contact details, project abstract of around 200 to 400 words, and accessibility requirements. You can either apply as an individual or in a team of maximum 4 people. Whether you are a teacher, a student, educator, researcher, or activist, your voice matters as we embark on this journey together. Let's build a community where every voice is heard, every story is honored, and every individual thrives.